Hi guys, I just wanted to talk to you about the summary process again, and I'm going to post this under summary process so that you can see it again. So if you go to summary/essay help, I know that we talked about this in class, but I just want to reiterate it. I've graded a few, and honestly, some of you were missing some of the pieces. So if we go to the critical reading journal, and I would suggest I'm going to post a free one next time that you have a summary to submit that should help you. And honestly, if you're doing that reading process guide, you should have figured out the author's main points and how they supported it. So I'm going to scroll all the way down. I see that. My apologies. I'm going to scroll all the way down to the actual summary example. Guys, I just want to talk to you a little bit about the summaries. I have graded the second summaries that were graded for a grade, and many of you missed the main point and the supporting points. And I just want to say that if you're doing a reading process guide, you really should have that. And if you struggle, feel free to shoot me out an email. I will help you work it out. But I just want to scroll all the way to the bottom of the example, and I've included the CRJ so that you can use this format next time. We talked about it, and the first thing that you need is a tag: title, author, and genre. So in chapter 1, Mindsets, and it's put into quotation marks because it's short, Carol Dweck states, I have Carol Dweck, and I give what seems to be, this is the thesis statement in her opinion, okay? And I tell you where I'm getting it from. I'm giving credit to the author and the page number. I only put the page number because in this sentence I have Dweck. Okay, down here I go and I put the main points in my own words, and because I did that, I have Dweck and 3. I give credit to the author and I give the page number. That's because it is not in the sentence. And so here at the bottom, you can see this. Okay, this is what your summary should look like. Also, please do not put your opinion in there. I do care what you think, but not in the summary. And also no announcement. So no, I'm going to give a summary of something, or I'm going to tell you, or I feel, or I think. Please do not do that. Work on this for your third summary. Again, the second that you're actually getting graded on for more than completion points. And as always, I am happy to help. Thank you.